Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the body fluids and circulation. Different group of animals have evolved various methods for transport of substances between the body parts. Here, simple organisms such as sponges, cnidarians have water canal system for transportation of substances. In this method, surrounding water enter into the body through the pores. This water help in the transport of substances and gases, and also it help in the excretion of wastes from the body into the surroundings. As well as complex organisms have circulatory fluids. Eucoelomates require circulatory system for transport of minerals and oxygen to the body parts, and collects wastages and carbon dioxide from the tissues and carry them to the appropriate excretory organs. Here, blood and lymph are the circulatory fluid tissues which are involved in the carry of substances to the body parts and collect excretory wastages from the tissues and carry them to the appropriate excretory organs. Hence, this function is considered as the postman's job. This function is considered as postman's job because of carry and send out the substances and gases, etc. Here, blood contains macrophages. These are the phagocytic cells which are involved in the defense system. Here, which microorganisms or pathogens are enter into the body of organisms. So those microorganisms or pathogens are killed by the phagocytic cells. So this killing process is called a defense system or a defense mechanism. So these defense cells are present in the blood. Hence this function is considered as the policeman's job. Next, blood contains proteins such as albumins and globulins. Albumins are help in the capillary osmotic pressure. So, this capillary osmotic pressure prevent of loss of fluids from the blood. Next, blood contains coagulant factors such as fibrinogen and prothrombin. So, these fibrinogen and prothrombins are helps in the prevent loss of excessive bleeding. Blood carry various hormones to the body parts and organ. So here, these hormones are help in the coordination of body parts. Hence, it is called a third integrating system. So here, what is the blood pumping station? Blood pressure is controlled by the hormones such as ADH and aldosterone. ADH means anti-diuretic hormone. So this hormone is secreted by the posterior pituitary gland. Aldosterone is the another hormone which is controlled blood pressure. So aldosterone is secreted from the adrenal glands. So blood components already we learned lower classes. So here blood consists of plasma and blood cells. So blood cells are the erythrocytes, leukocytes and platelets. These are also called as red blood cells, white blood cells,